Alright, so I promised a part 2 to this video. Here's where we stand. I got this whole wall framed out and sheeted with 7/16 OSB. That is getting James Hardy lap siding. This wall is all framed out. It's getting the original redwood siding. It's about 10:30 at night right now. I'm just roughing in some electrical. I got my drop ran up through the attic out to the panel. I'm gonna rewire this correctly. Gotta pull that old piece of fabric sheath cable out. Goes to that box. It's gonna tie into there. I got some nail plates to put on. Nail plates are these things. So you don't drive a screw or nail into a wire. The windows have to come out one more time. I still haven't wrapped the thing. I got two Tyvek wrap outside. And then we're going to insulate it. And then I got sheetrock. So, yeah. I ended up keeping the original crown plate. So then my new work just ties into that. I have some drywall backer to put up here. Drywall backer is simply 1x2. That goes right here, so I have something to screw my drywall to. What else is there? Really not much else. Either before or after this, you'll see some photos, or you've already looked at some photos. I pretty much did this wall the same way. I did this one. Whole wall came out and just reframed it. This one I actually framed out on the floor here and then tipped it up. So, you know. Yep. So here's part 2, and there'll probably be a part 3. Yep, fun times. Yes, doubled 2x6 for the header. Yep. Alrighty. I will catch you guys later or in the next video. As usual, links are down in the description to cool tools and my discount codes and, you know, all that stuff. Who's tagged down there? Let's see, tool organizer, Ulsa. I'm having a brain fart, but you know, lots of good stuff down there. Alright, I'm gonna get back to this. And, yep, I'll catch you guys in the next one.